Word. I know it's stacks then.
Nah, let me hear that.
That's really me. You gon' chase the house and I'ma chase my paper. She tryna help me get a man, but she can't be my babe. I grab the chop out the closet, no it is not gay. I ain't never by myself, I keep the K with me. A couple words can get you going, so watch what you say to me. Got 26 planes, but I fuck up A, then I still got to Z. And now I'm past C. Chops in the back seat, so slow the car down. I want the A, B in the air, so I can let my guard down.
Bad, bro. Just cause I was
Cook crack, my bitch in the back of the bank. That can't cost a couple of stacks. We fucking no strings attached. Procrast, relax. We cover that.
Boom. What's up, guys? This is your boy man. Back again with another banger video, you feel me? Right now we in the mall parking lot. We tryna film some content, you feel me? We tryna put in work. Right now it's stacks time.
Nah, let me hear that.
Nah, they bugging. I won already, my boy won already. Pat went, now it's Stack's turn. Then my boy, then Nate. That shit finna be crazy, gang. Alright, that shit now free.
No resonators? Sorry, bro.
Yeah. Why not?
Tweaking, bro. Tweak out the brush, down my GoPro.
You need to bring that, get that content going. There's content right here, man. Yeah. Yeah, that's just, I think muffler delete, res delete.
Yeah, you up next, bro? Your shit stopped, right? Yeah. Oh, my intake. Oh, you only hear it when when it's on your headlight? Right here? When it's on your headlight?
Yeah, turn it off. Do the park light one. Press off and then press the, yeah. Yeah. How your gun sound? Come. When it's done. Yeah, you good. It's good right there. How the fuck you turn out? Nah, do the middle one with both of them, yeah. Nah, hold on.
I don't know nothing about this car. It's good?
Yeah.
What am I going to say now?
How your gun sound?
So just make the noise.
Yeah.
What sound is your gun make? Pew pew. Say it twice. Say it like 2 times.
Say it 2 times.
You ready? Yeah. What sound does your gun make? Pew 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 pew. It's good. That is not a car sound. Better hold your car.
Yeah.
Always car sound like that.
Nah. Alibaba exhaust. Yeah. Nah, y'all niggas fucking me up.
You gotta do that over, gang. Get over. Your car does not sound like that. Nah, you gotta get out. You gotta sound. It was funny, but that shit is nuts. That shit sound good. What song does it make? I don't know. Black. Boom, that shit was boom. That shit was lit. That was no
Nah, that shit tough. Yes, sir! We got Pat in front of me. We got Stack sliding the fuck out of that hole. Huh?
You get your car first.
Go outside. Go outside, boys.
We got a gas station with it trying to flick up the motion.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Yep, go that way. Yes, sir. You were getting out some content and shit. I don't know, gang. But I ain't gonna be out too long, so I ain't gonna stay out too long tonight. No bullshit. Shit a movie, gang. Just a whole bunch of young kids with a dream. You feel me? Whole bunch of kids with a dream, for real.
Damn, whole bunch of kids. You're not doing what I'm thinking. What? No. I thought you were about to do some shit like this.
It's still fucking 8 pumps over. For sure. That's how you guys like film it.
Here, I was like,
For what? We getting gas? I ain't gonna lie, the lineup fucking tough, gang. Yo, us car niggas take this shit serious for real, gang. Anything for them flicks, you heard? You gotta get that shit.
go say.
What else? What else do car people do in the gas station?
Put gas in your car.
Ain't nobody doing that shit.
Yeah. I'll go get a snack. Does anyone want anything? No. So we can just like eat food.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Alright. So we can just eat.
Yeah, you good. Y'all been here for 2 hours. What y'all doing? My bad, bro. What's going on, my G? Don't make it skip, bro. My bad, bro. What's poppin'? My bad, bro. My bad.
Get cash.
Tell her to like plan on. Keep it on us. Once you start walking. That would have went viral.
Yeah, bro, I wasn't even ready, bro. Yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hey, hey.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. Every time you look at the camera, that shit look crazy. It looks like you're looking at something else, bro.
Oh, pause. Pause, no Diddy. I ain't even gonna look up now, that shit crazy. What's wrong, gang?
Oh, damn, dog. You got the lit car? What is it, Fast and Furious?
Not that top shit. How the fuck this nigga got this shit, man? We got to be out of here.
Christmas lights and everything.
I'm trying to buy some gas. From right here to the stoplight. You too, man. You know, start make content there. Yeah, joke, bro. You too. Tie shit, tie shit.
I don't like doing film. So when you caught that, that's like a rarity.
Hey,
So that's gonna be a gem dog. People are
I feel. Neat. When?
I'm out of here. Yeah? Alright, work. Peace out.
Everybody dipping?
I mean, I'm chilling. That nigga's gonna.
You go now. Your turn. Don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb. Yo guys, I'm about to go home right now before my shorty gets her cussing me out. Cause I told her my ass coming home for 11. Right now it's saying I'm getting home 10:58. I don't even know if my boy Nate was following me, bro. But I'm about to end this video right here. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'm low-key tired, bro. No bullshit. I'm about to just go in the crib, try to chill my shorty. No cap! It's been a movie, bro.
Bye, have a great time.